And now, the exciting conclusion.
Ta-da!
Ah! Stop doing that. So, do I have to call the client and tell him it's no deal?
Quite the contrary, my unbelieving friend. Captain Lightning has your financing approved right there. And over here is a check post-dated for 5 days. Yeah, I believe everything's in order here.
Why, yes. Yes, it is. This is amazing. How can I ever thank you? This is fantastic. I turn down deals like this all the time. Can you help me every time?
Of course I can, son. That's what superheroes do.
You can every time? This is unbelievable. Tell me, Captain, how did you do it?
Well, citizen, it wasn't easy. First,
Hello, this is Ernie Underwriter with Alta West.
hi, Ernie, it's me, Captain Lightning.
Oh, hi, Captain. Good to speak with you again. What can I do for you today?
Well, I'm saving this mortgage broker guy, and he needs to get his financing for a deal approved in 48 hours and have the money to the client in 5 days. Can you help me?
Sure, just fax me over the file and I'll take a look. You could just fax it over, you know.
Yes, but that's why they call me Captain Lightning.
Alice, could you get me Captain Lightning on the phone? Never mind. I have some good news for you, Captain. I have approved the file, and here's your giant check. I know how you like those.
Thank you, Mr. Underwriter. Another day saved by Captain Lightning.
Alta West. Real live mortgage superheroes. When you need the job done fast, every time. Do what Captain Lightning does. Call Alta West. Private lending done right.